Blonde hair, blue eyes, that'll make you faint on sight. But she looks like trouble, her lips so hello, welcome to my very first YouTube video on this channel. So what I want to say is thank you for subscribing and thank you for finding me on my channel. And what my channel is about is vlogs, gaming, pranks, challenges, story time videos, reaction videos, also videos with my best friend, maybe a room tour, maybe a what's on my iPhone, maybe advice how to survive high school, and just a lot of different videos. And I might sound weird is because I've been sick the past couple days, and yeah. And also, I want to say thank you for subscribing to my channel. And, well, if you want to be a part of the Snake Squad, make sure you subscribe, comment, and like. Oh, also, turn on the notifications. It's the bell next to the subscribe button. That's how you become part of the Snake Squad. So if you guys like this video, like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, y'all. Bye! I try to be funny by, like, covering the lens. But, yeah. Bye for real now.